Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the official unboxing of Apple's AirPods. Without further ado, let us start the video. Before we get into the video itself, these headphones, or should I say AirPods, were introduced to the world in late 2016. 5 years later, we are currently on the third generation. However, in this video, we are unboxing and reviewing the first generation AirPods. So sit back, relax, and let's start this video. So on screen, that is the box itself. Let's use the scissors to cut into the box. Open the box up itself. And what are we presented with? The AirPods themselves. Let's now get the AirPods out of the packaging. Use these scissors to slice open the packaging. We have just a receipt of the order itself from the Apple website. Let's move that to the side. Let's also move the box itself to the side. And now here is the star of the show, the AirPods themselves. £120 from the Apple website. They used to be $160, but since the third generation, they have reduced the price to $120. So let's now get into the product itself. Use these scissors to slice open the packaging. That's okay. Let's get into the box itself. Move that to the side. And what are we presented with? An instruction manual with all the how-to user guide, which we will read when it comes to using the product itself. Here is the star of the show. Let's just move that to the side for the moment. What else do we have in the packaging? Lightning to USB. I was hoping for USB Type-C, but that is the future. Maybe on the third generation they have that. Now the star of the show, the AirPods themselves. Let's get into the packaging. And as you can see, my name is on the AirPods themselves. That's because we have engraved my name. So let's just open up the AirPods, take them out one by one. Very ergonomical, fit for the human body. That's the left side, the right side, and this is the case itself on screen. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.